Welcome back to Home Food Best Food. I'm Bhavna Jagannatha and you're watching how to make Kashaya or Kadha. Kashaya or Ayurvedic medical concoctions usually prepared by tossing few handy kitchen ingredients and herbs together to prepare a strong brew that can kick the butt of some common ailments ranging from cold to aches and pains. However, one must not ignore problems that persist beyond 3 to 4 days as things could aggravate. Home remedies are essentially prepared to tackle ailments in their initial stages and are usually harmless without any side effects. Here I'm going to talk about how to make kashayam, what's the best time to drink kashayam and its health benefits. So keep watching till the end. Let's see the ingredients. Half cup of coriander seeds, 1/4 cup of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 5 cardamom pods, 15 clove, 1 inch ginger, 2 tablespoons of jaggery and 1/8 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. So let's add half cup of coriander seeds into a pan and dry roast it under low flame. Keep aside. Next add jeera or cumin, dry roast and keep aside. Next add pepper, clove, fennel seeds, cardamom pod and fenugreek seeds. Dry roast them and keep aside. Let all the ingredients cool down. Transfer it into a mixer jar and blend it into fine powder. Now the Kashaya powder is ready. Store it in an airtight container and it is good to use for 3 to 4 months. Take 2 cups of water and add 2 teaspoons of Kashaya powder. Add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. You can also use dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon. Next add 2 tablespoons of jaggery. You can also replace jaggery by adding honey. Let it boil well for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1/4 cup of milk. You can also completely skip adding milk and take this decoction as is. Adding milk is just to enhance the taste. Add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Filter the kashaya using a strainer. Now this kashayam is completely ready. This is a home remedy for cold, cough, sore throat, indigestion and generally to boost our immunity. Every ingredient used has its own health benefits. Best time to take this kashaya is before food. Try to take it early morning in empty stomach or after 20 minutes of brushing your teeth, or you can also drink this in the evening. So spend just 15 minutes in your kitchen to make this immune booster shot. I hope you like this recipe. Do leave your thoughts in comment section. Like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.